Welcome to Mind Vomit by Gabe. I just wanted to turn out a quick video showing those of you who don't know how to use the pen tool in Illustrator how to use it, because I have a video coming soon where we're going to use it pretty extensively. Up here, this is your pen tool. Where my cursor is on the left hand side, it looks like a pen. If you click on it, it brings the pen tool out, and if you look down here, this black line, that's your stroke. This white color is your fill. If you want to change the color of your fill, you can double click on it and you can choose like red, for instance. If you don't want to fill for either one of these, you can click this none and that will get rid of it. Now for a pen tool, normal straight lines are pretty easy. You click, draw to your next point, click, draw your next point, click, draw to your next point, and so on. And you can see now that I drew this line. But what about curves? So you pull your pen tool, click your first point, your second point, you hold down the left mouse button. And then you drag these little arms out and you can adjust the curve. Now when you go to draw another curve, or if you're trying to draw a straight line, whatever your next point's gonna be, come back and click on the second point you did. Draw a straight line, for instance. Come back, click on it. Draw another point. You can do another curve. Come back, click on it. Do another curve. And that's how you draw curves with a pen tool. Now I'm hitting escape to get out of this. And if you want to lock this line, hit Control 2. On a Mac, I believe it's Command 2. Now, if you wanted to fill this area, let's say you make a square. Oh, I should undo that. I should make sure my fill selected first, huh? So I choose a red fill. I want to make like a square. Real quick. Hit escape. There you go, there's the fill. Now, you can also change the width of these lines too by, I gotta unlock all these, but if I choose this line right here, I can change the stroke by increasing the stroke, and I can also change the shape of it too. So this one's fat on one end and it gets skinnier on the other, just like that. This one obviously starts off wide and goes to a triangular point, and this one is like a half moon or whatever. So you can change the way the stroke looks too. I typically don't like using the pen, it's time consuming, but if I have some piece of artwork that I want to be very exact, I will use the pen. Most of the time I use the brush, the paintbrush, or the blob brush. And the blob brush is typically because when I'm inking something, whenever you use the blob brush, it all becomes one piece. So wherever those strokes overlap, becomes one piece. But anyway, I just wanted to, I'm getting off topic here a minute. I just want to do a quick video just showing how the pen tool works in Illustrator, because I have an upcoming video for those of you who maybe aren't artists but you want to do your own graphic design stuff, and I'm going to show you how to do that with a pen tool and copying pictures or something you just will want to make look like a piece of artwork. Alright, so thanks for watching. Hope that helps you guys, and watch for that video coming soon.